Dan here with Battlefield Curator, and we got a package today with some history in it. An AKMD63 Romanian type. Let's unbox it. First off, I guess the first thing we see is the cleaning rod. It does look a little bit bent here on the end. Should be no big deal. Cleaning rod. So yeah, this is the front hand guard here. And yeah, it's got some trench art right there. I have no idea what that says. It looks like it's written backwards or upside down. It says Nelly or Haley or something. I'll take a closer look at that. On the other side, alright, just you know, it's actually, somebody actually did just some customization to it that had it. It's a little chipped here in the front. Alright, not so bad, not so bad. Now this is the Romanian parts kit from RTI in condition B. So let's see, oh, we got a, looks like serial number 69. Something there. Alright, let's see what we got. This without cutting into it. Might have to just cut into it here. Slot that open. Alright, so yep, this is the rear piece of the rear trunnion. Check that out, huh? Alright, it looks like it's pretty good. A little dirty, not so bad. This is actually cleaner than I thought it would be. Contemplated wearing gloves or not. The front trunnion piece, and yep, it's 1969 AS2250. Wow, that's pretty cool. 1969. All right, yeah, great year in American history there. A lot of things happened in 69. My favorite thing in 69 was the Chevelle 69 Chevelle. All right, now I was worried about this rear sight. This actually looks like it's in very workable condition. The rear sight piece actually looks like it's pretty good. Pretty good indeed. Alright, and yep, we got the top cover. And there's a little dent back there. But you know what, that's part of it. I don't know. You know, there's a little dent, you know, it's okay, I guess. Yeah, it's surplus. What do you expect? Alright, we're gonna slowly put this thing together, and yep, here's the front. It's a little dirty in there, can you see? Not so bad. But yeah, that's the front top handguard and gas tube. Alright, cool, cool. What else do we got? Alright, there's the hand grip, the pistol grip right here. Pew pews with the pistol grip. Alright, what else we got in here? Yep, let's see. Let's see the serial number on there, CT1415, and that does not match the front trunnion there. Yep, and here's the spring assembly. Alright, that thing looks pretty good. This is 0230, does not match. Alright, and then we got the buttstock. Actually, it looks like it's in pretty decent shape. I don't see any major cracking. We got a tool hole. You have some trench art right there. That looks like a pretty cool symbol. Somebody's messing around yet again. No major defect side that I see, so that's pretty good. And I thought I might have to do some woodwork on this. Buttstock. Alright, and what's in here? And looks like we have all the pins and everything, and they're falling out the bag. Alright. What we got here? Alright. All there. Front sight assembly there. Bigger thingy there. That thingy there. That's okay, I guess. Just get everything back up and running. Block bag for that. And then what do we have here? What's this bag? Let's see. Oh, look at that. We actually got, I did not expect this. So we got an oiler. Very cool. Let's see, it's got something in there. Yeah, remnants of oil. Remnants of oil. Interesting. And then we got the cleaning kit here. Alrighty. Well. Alright guys, that's it for the unboxing, and make sure to pulverize the like button and subscribe. It'll help out with the YouTube algorithm. And if you like milsurps, go check out some of my other videos.